Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited because I got this magical box right here. Magic at Your Door was just delivered to my door. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my magical delivery box of Magic at Your Door just got delivered and I'm so excited to see what is in here. When I got the tracking information last week, I'm like, what, already? Whoa, 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 whoa. So I'm so excited to have this in my hands. Let's go ahead and get in here and see what we have. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. You guys ready? Because I'm ready. Okay, so it was a tight fit. And the card, or there's like a paper on the top that goes over some information. And oh my gosh, the pin this month is so cute. Okay, that's what the presentation looks like because you have all these little squigglies on top. Let me go ahead and remove some of this so I can get to the goods that are in this box. Okay, you guys, so now that I've removed all of the paper and got just the products in my hands, the first item is going to be this right here. And if you watched last month's unboxing, I got the Beauty and the Beast set and I was really excited and I went back to see what else they had. So I put the Pinocchio and then they had one other one I put on my wish list. So I got it in this month's box. So now I have another set to match the other. And I showed you guys what I did with my Nightmare Before Christmas, the Jack faces that I hung up in that video. So now I'm really excited to get another set. This is so good. And it's Pinocchio. That's classic. I love all of the older classic Disney movies myself. So let's go ahead and see. So this right here says it's valued at $25. And this is the Disney collection of Pinocchio. So there's the outside of it right there. And it's designed to look like a book. And when you open it up, that is the stuff inside. So you do have the envelope stickers that say Walt Disney right there. Now this should be the same as the other. So there should be 20 greeting cards, 10 prints, 2 of each print. So let's see. So here's the first one right here. Yep. Here's another one. So there's the first card. How cute, little Jiminy Cricket's heads. There's that one. There is this one. And on the back of them, it does tell what part of the movie or whichever or where that image came from. It gives you more information on the back of them. Here's this one. Here's this one. There's that. There's that. There's that one. How cute. And then there's one more design, which is the candlestick. So that is all the different designs for the 20 greeting cards for this set. And again, I'm so excited to now have another one. So now I have 2 complete sets and 1 half set, but the half set is hung on my wall and that's where they're going to stay. So there's the book right there. Now we have is, oh, the Little Mermaid. It's a pin and it's the little eels. How cute. It's the 2 little eels with the electric bolt. And then there's 3 different backings for this set. How cute. I can't wait to hang that in my pin collection thing that I made. My, what was it? Winnie the Pooh pin collection thing. So I'm definitely going to add that to that because that's where I'm keeping all my Disney pins. And this is valued at $12.95. So now I see something else that I put in my wish list. This is, I've never seen this before, but it sounds really neat and I want to put it together. It's a Metal Earth 3D metal model kit and it's for Stitch. So apparently that's what it's going to look like once I put it together. I'm really excited to put this together and it's for 14 plus. So this is Disney and it does not have a price on here, but it is Disney Parks. Metal Earth. Okay, so depending on which one it is, these range anywhere from $17.99 to $21.99 based on, I guess, which character you get. And again, I put Stitch in my wish list and that's what I received. Okay, so the next item was in my wish list as well. And so now what I do is once I get it, I go back in my account and take it off. I know they try their best to not send repeated products, but they're only human and have a whole bunch of orders to deal with, so it might be missed. So it's always best, whatever's in your wish list, once you receive it, to go back in your account and take it off your wish list so you know you're not gonna get it again. This has been on my wish list and I'm so glad that now I have it. So this is the candlestick from Beauty and the Beast. Let me get it open to show you guys. And now I can set it next to the others that I've received from this box. This is a Jim Shore product. And this one, normally it has a price on it. This one does not have a, oh yeah, it is, bummer, is $30. Looking everywhere but the side that actually has it. So let's get this one out. So he still has all the little tags and stuff attached. So let me pull these off. So now that I got those off, this is what he looks like. He's so cute. Oh my goodness, he's so cute. I cannot wait to set him with the other pieces that I have, the same Jim Shore, like the line with these. It's so cute. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, I love it. And again, that was on my wish list, of course, because they listen to our wish list, you guys. So I say this is the best Disney box out there because I've tried others. This is the one for me. This is the one for me, you guys. Okay, so now we have there must be something else in here because I know those few items is not my typical value of my gold box. So I know there's going to be something in here, but we should also have last month's pin that didn't come in time. And then we should have this month's pin as well. So let's see here. Wait, is August not coming? Yes. Okay, so I have July's pin. August pin is not here yet. July's pin is, but August will get next month. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. That's why I was so excited when I saw the outside of the packaging. And then I was like, oh my gosh, this month is so cute. Okay, so what it says is the August bonus fantasy pin for our gold subscribers came out amazing. Unfortunately, perfection takes time and shipping was delayed. So the pin will be included in your next magic box, which is okay. Last month, I know they tried to wait until their pin came in, which did put them back delayed. So this time they opted to send the boxes out and then just send the pin next month, which is totally fine because then we got our box on time or early. Now I'm gonna show you what it's going to look like and it's so cute. So it's actually like Stitch right there. That is going to be the August 2020 pin, you guys. I can't wait to get that. Now last month was ice cream month. So this is the pin for July. Now that we have July's pin. So it has the ice cream in the back with the 2020. And it says July, oop, right there, July 2020. I love these pins. This is definitely a perk on the gold box. Not only do you have the best value and you get the most perks with the gold box, but you always get an exclusive gold pin every single month. And I am definitely collecting these for as long as I have the gold box, which is gonna be for a while, you guys. Let me tell you, this one's not going anywhere anytime soon. So this was last month's pin, and again, this month we'll get next month, which is the Stitch one. It's so cute. So then the last item that I have is in here, and I'm so excited because I think I already know what this is going to be because I only have one left on my wish list. And this is Pandora Disney Parks. The first time I got one that was Minnie Mouse, and then I asked for Mickey Mouse, and that's what this one is. This one's the Mickey Mouse. And I know you guys These are definitely expensive. These right here are like $50 to $70 just for like the basic Pandora ones. I know because I have a lot. And I just started a Disney bracelet, and I'm gonna start collecting all my Disney ones on its own bracelet. And actually I should go get that for you guys if you want to see what it looks like. But right now, here is my Mickey. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see. I'll put in a better picture so you can see all the detail in the Mickey Mouse. It's just written Mickey Mouse, but it's gonna be really hard for you to see it on the silver. So I'll include a picture so you know what this is going to look like. And that is what I got in my box, you guys. I'm so excited that I got this because now it's going to match the Minnie Mouse one. So recapping what came in this box, I got the Pandora Mickey Mouse charm, which I'm so glad to have. We have this amazing little piece right here that's gonna go with the others that I have. We have the monthly pin. We have this Ariel pin, which is adorable. This, which I cannot wait to put together, and the card set, you guys. Let me go get my bracelet to show you guys. But if you want to know a little bit about Magic at Your Door, you can follow the link down below and you can use code MAGICSAVE10. That'll save you $10 off any of the boxes. That is the gold, the silver, the bronze, the one-time box, or the magical AF box. It does not work for the Disney mystery box, which is the cheapest one that they do offer. It doesn't work for that one, but it works for all the others. So the pricing for all the tiers, I get the gold level. So the gold level is what I pay for. This one's $124.99. Then they have the silver, which is $99.99. And then they have the bronze, which is $74.99. Again, they have the mystery box. That one is $49.99. The mystery box for the $49.99, you cannot customize, but all of the others are, you can fully customize with your preferences and the wish list and all of that good stuff. They have a one-time magic box for $199.99. And then they have the one-time magical AF boxes, which is what I started with, which is $299. Or you can do one of the monthly subscription boxes, anywhere from $74.99 to $124.99. And I love this box. I love this box. I love this box. I love the customer service. I love the wish list. I love how they go off of the wish list. And I love the profile. They have the best profile to ask you the most amount of questions to tailor your box, so you're going to love every single box, you guys. This is just magic, literally. This is magic at your door. I love this box. Let me go ahead and get my my Pandora bracelet really quick if you wanted to see it. So hold on. I'll probably have to drop in a better picture for you guys, but literally I just received this bracelet Saturday. So just a few days ago. So this one, it actually has Minnie Mouse. That's the clasp that opens and closes. So I bought a Disney bracelet. So I have Minnie Mouse up here. Then the Minnie Mouse one that I got already is this one right here. So now my Mickey Mouse will match that one perfectly. So on here, I have Stitch. I got a little Stitch. This one here is Lady and the Tramp. It's a dangly heart. The top of this is like a collar. You see like the little buckle. And then there's Lady and Tramp inside there with the blue heart on the back. Then again, I have the Minnie Mouse. Then this one here is Ariel. Of course, I had to get Ariel. So there's Ariel. And then here is Flounder. And Flounder's tail moves. But there's Flounder right there. And then this is a clip that I bought that's Snow White, a Snow White clip to hold everything in. So when I do open it, I know none of my charms are going to fall because that clip is holding everything in. So this is my Pandora Disney bracelet thus far. I'm going to put this new one on here and then I can keep collecting as I go, but I'm so excited about this bracelet, you guys, and I wanted to show you. So that is everything about this box. That is what I wanted to show you. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video, you guys. Comment down below, let me know, what did you think of my box this month? What was your favorite item? What do you think about my Disney Pandora bracelet? I think this is super cute. I can't wait. There is a Beauty and the Beast one. It's Pots and, I think it's Pots and Chip. It's out of stock, but I really want to get that one next. So as soon as that comes in stock, I'm hoping to grab that one up, but I think this is super cute. So that is everything. Again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.